Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how I make this creamy smoked salmon pasta. This is very creamy and very delicious, guys. So if you want to see how I make this pasta, keep watching. So the ingredients are smoked salmon. You can use any brand of your choice, guys. So I'm going to be using about 300 grams of smoked salmon for this recipe. I have 400 grams there, but I'm going to be removing 100 grams. Okay. So some lemon juice. I'm also going to be using this. It's called Finocchio's flour, but I don't know what it's called in English. I'm going to look for it and I will put it at the description. So yeah, I'm also going to be using some of black pepper pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, like you can use normal penne pasta. Well, I have this one, so I decided to use this type, but if you can find this type of pasta, give it a try. It's good. So I'm going to be using this cooking cream, which is called panna da cucina in Italian. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using, guys. I'm also going to be using a little salt and extra virgin of olive oil. So first and foremost, I've already started boiling my water because that pasta takes about 20 minutes to be cooked. So I added some salt. So now I'm adding the pasta into the water. Then I'm going to set that aside to start cooking. And also I'm going to be using the starch water from the pasta to mix with the cream because the cream I'm using is very thick. Okay, so now I'm going to just let the pasta boil a little, then I will take the water from the pasta to make the cream. So for the salmon, I'm just going to open the salmon now and slice them in a little. You can even use your hand. I end up using my hand because they are very soft. So I didn't want to use knife anymore, so I optioned my hand to just use my hand to just get them into the shape I wanted them, but you can use knife. Okay, so I'm just breaking the salmon into the plate now. So I'm done with the salmon and back to the cooking again. So I'm taking water from the pasta. Then this is the cooking cream. Like I'm using very thick cooking cream. Okay. So I added that cooking spoon, that deep cooking spoon of pasta water into the pot before adding the cream. So I'm going to get everything melt up because I don't want the cream to be super creamy. Okay. So now I'm adding some lemon juice, just a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything up, and I'm also going to be adding a little bit of black pepper into that. Then the salmon, I'm adding more than half of the salmon at the moment, but I'm going to be leaving some of it as well for later use. So after adding the salmon, I'm going to be adding this leaf. I can call it spicy. I don't know what I can seasoning. I don't know. I will put the name at the description. Please check it out. Okay. So stir everything together, and I'll put the heat on a medium-low heat. I want to bring it to a boil, but I don't want them to be super boiling. I just want to heat up that cream. Okay, for the cream to take the taste of the salmon as well. So they're not going to be boiling, but I want them to heat up really well. So now I'm going to allow that to heat up. So I'm adding some cherry tomatoes. This is optional. I just want to give it that a little bit reddish color, you know. So this is why I'm adding that fresh tomatoes inside the cream. Stir everything up and allow it to come up. So as you can see, they've started boiling by the side. Like I said, I don't want them to start bubbling very well. So at this stage they are very okay. So I'm going to turn off the heat now and pour them into my blender. You can use the hand blender, any blender you have. All you need to do is to just make sure that the cream and the salmon comes together, like become one cream. Okay, so I'm done blending them now. So I'm pouring them over my saucepan over the heat. So at this moment the pasta is almost cooked. So I'm going to mix everything up, like the pasta and the cream up, guys. So here is the remaining salmon. I'm adding it at this last stage. So stir everything up, and I'm going to allow them on a heat for just 2 minutes, on a medium low heat for 2 minutes. Then I will take them out of the heat. This soup pasta is super delicious and very simple to put together. I urge you to give it a try. You will not regret it. Like, it's super creamy, very creamy, guys, and so delicious. And I also love how the salmon, smoked salmon taste comes out of it. So I hope you enjoy watching this. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, I added olive oil at the last. You can skip that if you don't want to add the oil. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.